Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I have this customer who wanted a basket for her husband. Now she wanted Nike products in there. She wanted a Nike slide, she wanted Nike socks. She went ahead and she purchased some items that she wanted in the basket. Now, normally I don't do stuff like this, but the items that she wanted, I don't think I could have gotten these items per se because this is not something that I have in my stockpile. And moreover, when I check out the price of these items, I believe they're a little bit, pricey. So, and it's someone that I know. So I'm like, okay, let me do this for you. But on a regular, I don't take anything from anyone and put in a basket. If you need me to make a basket, tell me the items you want, the date you want it by, what's the price point you're willing to pay, and then we go from there. So as I said, it's someone that I know. So I'm like, okay, I'll do it for you. So she wanted, as I mentioned, Nike slides. I couldn't find Nike slides anywhere in the stores. I have to order it online. The Nike socks, I had a hard time finding Nike socks. I've seen Nike socks for kids, but for men, it's like limited. She wanted a towel. She wanted foot pumice. She wanted lotion. She wanted sanitizer. What else she wanted in the basket? Just to name a few items. So what I did, I got this basket. Let me come down so you guys could see. I got this basket from Ross. This was actually, was it $3.99? I think this was $3.99. And this is gray and white stripe. I was trying to find something that's all white or something that's black and white, but I could not. So the next best thing is gray. And I think her husband's favorite color is gray. So I'm like, okay, win-win. Don't pay attention to my blow pop right there. You ain't getting any. Okay. All right. So let me go up a little higher. What I did was I put a piece of cardboard in the back of not in the back, but inside of the towel. And I put a piece of string around the towel and the slide so that it doesn't fall over. So what I'm gonna do now, I have these Nike slides. This is like ankle or a little bit above the ankle. I have like two different sizes or two different, I think I'm gonna put it in here. I have like two different, not sizes, but length. This one is the ankle. This one is for the ankle. This one is short. Like in the summertime, they could wear that, or if they want to wear it. Now, fine. This is a little bit longer. And this says Nike on the side, and this is in blue, and this is in red. This was in a pack. I'm actually, I don't know if I should show the blue or the red. I'm not going to show that. I'm not going to show that. I'm going to do it like, let's wrap this because I don't want the blue to show. So I put that one right there. And the other one, let me see if I could put it here. Okay, the other one is right there. One is here, one is there. So I'm putting this Gold Bond Ultimate Men's Hand and Body Lotion in there. I am not taping anything down. I'm just playing it by ear. I have this Purell hand sanitizer. I think I got this from, I want to say, Walgreens. But you see, the thing is, it's gonna throw off the what I'm going for, the color scheme I'm going for, but let's leave it. This is the item that, one of the items that she wanted in her basket. This is the Blonde Light Carrot Body Lotion. She also wanted the body oil. And what is this? This is the Fate Cream. And she also wanted these soap. These soaps smell amazing, guys. So let's see how we're gonna do this. I think I want to put this somewhere here because I'm going to actually hide the sanitizer. I don't like the color being shown right there. I'm just playing it by ear how I'm going to set these. Let's take this sock out. Let's see if I could actually fit it. Okay, I fit it exactly under there. Okay, let's come down a little. So this is the cream. Let's put okay, when I'm finished, I'm just gonna go ahead and tape them down. This needs to be higher. Okay. Da-da. So. I'm doing some movements again, guys. Let's put you over here. Let's put you, you know what, I'm gonna put you here because I really don't need you to be showing like that. I'll put you right here. I'll put you right here. I'll put you back here. I'll put you here. And I think let's go back up a little bit. Okay, I think this can go right here. Okay. Now, this is what I think I'm gonna do. Pull this behind here so that it doesn't fall forward. Okay. I don't like how it looks. This, I could put this right here. This needs to be higher. There you go. I think this needs to be higher too. There you go. I don't know, this is throwing me off. So I am going to go ahead and put some little embellishment on there and come right back. So I'm finally done with the basket. I was looking in my stash to see if I have any ribbon that could actually pop this, and I decided to use this ribbon that I got from, I believe it was Sam's Club, when they had the 5-pack on clearance for, I believe, $14.99 last year. So I used the solid color and the, what is this? This is not plaid, whatever you call this, stripe. I put both of them together. I just have to cut the end of this ribbon, cut it like the duck tail. I don't know where my scissors is. Well, not my scissors, I have it here, but it is so dull. So I gotta get me a new pair of scissors. So this is what the basket is looking like. I put a little rose here. I think it's not a rose, it's peony. I didn't want to put any, you know, flowery embellishment because, as I mentioned, this basket is for a gentleman, and you know they don't care about anything. So at least when he's finished going through using his products, the wife could get the basket. So this is what it's looking like. I love the outcome of this. Oh my God, I love this bow. Ooh, ooh. LBE, you taught us well. And Felicia, Birthing Bosses with Felicia, you taught us well. You taught us real well. So this is what my basket, the end result of my basket. If you guys like it, leave a comment in the comment section below. Another thing, guys, now is the time for you all to start getting stuff together for holiday. If you don't do Christmas, get stuff ready for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. Those two holidays are the biggest sellers. Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. So if you go into the stores and you see anything that you believe will go in a Mother's Day basket, it could be lotion, perfume, whatever it is, start getting your stash ready. I know Bath and Body Works have their candles on sale sometimes. Sometimes you get coupons mailed to you in the mail, sent to you in the mail. Even if you're not buying anything and you could go collect those free products. They have, I think they have 3-week candles now on sale for something like $13. If you're a candle person, go ahead and get those candles. Just get yourself ready so that will come. Because what I normally do is right after Christmas, I go full gear and I start working on Valentine's Day baskets. And as soon as that's completed, I'm on to Mother's Day. Not much Easter, but Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. All right. With that being said, you all take care, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.